How to get villager without a villager in Minecraft. So first we will need to make a potion of weakness and a golden apple. To make a golden apple, just get your crafting table. You'll need 8 gold ingots and place it just like this and place the apple in the middle to get your golden apple. Once it's done, we're gonna create a potion of weakness, and to do that you will need the crafting table. Place your spider eye, your sugar, and your brown mushroom to get a fermented spider eye. Now once it's done, you will need a blaze rod to basically make some blaze powder. And to do that, place your blaze rod right here and you will get some blaze powder. Now you will need some water bottles, which I have right here. So I'm just going to show you guys how to do it. But so once you have your water bottle, go to your brewing stand, place the 3 water bottles here at the bottom, place your blaze powder. Now just place your fermented spider right here and wait for it to finish brewing. Now it's almost done, as you can see. And once it's done, the water will become potion of weakness, and just get a gunpowder and place it on the top to make it a splash potion so that you could throw it basically, and just wait for it to finish brewing. And once it's done, as you can see, I now have the splash potion of weakness just like so. And what you need to do is hunt for some zombie villagers first. And here, as you can see, I now have a zombie villager. Now, what you want to do is just get your splash potion of weakness and throw it to the zombie. And once you've thrown it, get your golden apple and feed it to them by right clicking on them. As you can see, they will start to like shake just like that. And now you will just need to wait before they transform back into a normal villager. So you just simply wait. And as you can see, after quite some time, the villager will turn back into a normal villager. And as you can see, you will get the gold zombie doctor just like that. And that's how you basically get a villager without any other villagers in Minecraft.